In this video, I'll detail how to use stopwatch on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to make use of your stopwatch, whether you're in the middle of something and you want to find out how long it takes you, then you can easily set up stopwatch on your iPhone to monitor the time taken to complete the whole assignment. So if I don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to use stopwatch on iPhone, you first need to open the clock application on your iPhone. And if you cannot find the clock application on your iPhone, just come to Spotlight Search and search for clock. Then click on clock. Then under the clock, you have word clock, alarms, stopwatch, and timer. Then click on stopwatch. Once you click on stopwatch, you have the lap and then the start. Then here is hour, minute, and seconds. Then once you click on start, this is going to start the stopwatch instantly. You see that? Then this is minute, this is seconds, and this is milliseconds. Then once you click on start, it should say the stopwatch start instantly. Then you can lap it to set a different stopwatch for each of the laps, like this. And once you are done, go ahead and click on the stop button. Then you should have all your stopwatch laps, the seconds or in minutes, all here. So that is exactly how to use stopwatch on iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.